Hello and welcome to KH Productions. I'm Hannah. And I'm Callie. Who else would I be? Hannah Montana. Okay, well, right now we're in my sister's bedroom. But in about 2 minutes, we'll be going outside to see what a goat will do when we give them a tin can. Let's go. Right. That's a can.
With cat food in it. Just jingling. Diet Dr. Pepper. Yummy.
I love Diet Dr. Pepper.
I'm sure you do.
If you saw our previous show with our big mouth,
Yeah.
this is what we drank.
It is.
This is my best friend Skippy. And this is my best friend Jiffy.
Now we will see what they do when we give them a tin can filled with cat food.
This better be exciting. Whoa! Down there, fella.
Okay, they do nothing.
How exciting!
Yes, okay.
Oh, no, wait.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
no,
no.
Nothing. Okay.
Nothing. Yeah, it's cold. Let's go.
Okay. Run! Oh.
It's locked.
You're kidding me.
No.
Wait, your necklace!
Oh,
It's
we
the
should
lock.
unlock it.
We can do this. We're talented. Okay. Wait. The paper clip. Oh! Okay. Please hold. Now we will pick the lock. Let's do this.
Well, here you go. You try.
Okay, I can do this. Wow, this seems to be working out great, doesn't it? Here. Oh, wait. Well, this is not working so well.
Not at all. Well, we seem to be stuck out here at the moment. But,
Okay.
oh, wait. Okay, yeah. We're stuck.
Why don't we go up and around?
Good idea.
I know, just, things just come to me sometimes. Let's go. Up the steps, la-dee-da-dee-da. Pretty steps, woo. Pretty table.
Hey, my almost
Oh,
dog. She's deaf. She has cancer. And
Yet she's still living.
very bad eyesight. And look at her walk.
It's horrible. There's the door. Let's go. And it opens. Goodbye for now.